everyone. Welcome back to W English, the best place to make learning English easy and fun. I am Mr. W.
We are going to practice useful daily action sentences that native speakers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat loudly, and practice with confidence. Remember, the more you practice, the better your English becomes. So, let's get started. I carry my school bag carefully. I carry my school bag carefully. I run quickly when I am late. I run quickly when I am late. I buy snacks from the small shop nearby. I buy snacks from the small shop nearby. I enjoy watching the sunset outside. I enjoy watching the sunset outside. I call my friend after school. I call my friend after school. I sing softly while taking a shower. I sing softly while taking a shower. I dance happily when I hear music. I dance happily when I hear music. I charge my phone before sleeping. I charge my phone before sleeping. I wash my clothes on weekends. I wash my clothes on weekends. I organize my books on the shelf. I organize my books on the shelf. I feed my pet every morning. I feed my pet every morning. I take beautiful photos with my phone. I take beautiful photos with my phone. I open my window and enjoy the fresh air. I open my window and enjoy the fresh air. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. I hurry to catch the morning bus. I hurry to catch the morning bus. I smile at people on my way to work. I smile at people on my way to work. I prepare a hot cup of coffee every morning. I prepare a hot cup of coffee every morning. I check my phone for new messages. I check my phone for new messages. I clean my desk before studying. I clean my desk before studying. I listen carefully during class. I listen carefully during class. I write important ideas in my notebook. I write important ideas in my notebook. I practice speaking English in front of the mirror. I practice speaking English in front of the mirror. I laugh loudly with my friends. I laugh loudly with my friends. I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my mother in the kitchen. I water the flowers in the evening. I water the flowers in the evening. I wash my hands before eating food. I wash my hands before eating food. I share my snacks with my classmates. I share my snacks with my classmates. I listen to birds singing in the morning. I listen to birds singing in the morning. I wear warm clothes during cold weather. I wear warm clothes during cold weather. I enjoy riding my bicycle around town. I enjoy riding my bicycle around town. I close my books after studying. I close my books after studying. I wash the plates after dinner. I wash the plates after dinner. I look at the stars before sleeping. I look at the stars before sleeping. I check my alarm for tomorrow morning. I check my alarm for tomorrow morning. I practice pronunciation with online videos. I practice pronunciation with online videos. I thank people when they help me. I thank people when they help me. I sleep peacefully after a busy day. I sleep peacefully after a busy day. I enjoy eating spicy food sometimes. I enjoy eating spicy food sometimes. I learn new English words every day. I learn new English words every day. I draw simple pictures in my notebook. I draw simple pictures in my notebook. I clap my hands when I feel excited. I clap my hands when I feel excited. I check the weather before going outside. I check the weather before going outside. I carry an umbrella during rainy days. I carry an umbrella during rainy days. I enjoy sitting quietly at night. I enjoy sitting quietly at night. I turn off the lights before leaving. I turn off the lights before leaving. I wave goodbye to my neighbors. I wave goodbye to my neighbors. I sharpen my pencil before class starts. I sharpen my pencil before class starts. I save money for important things. I save money for important things. I enjoy telling funny stories to my friends. I enjoy telling funny stories to my friends. I take deep breaths when I feel stressed. I take deep breaths when I feel stressed. Great job, everyone. You practiced English very well today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep improving every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and never give up.